Alright, sorry about that. So what happened is that the memory space ran out on me, understand? Alright, let us continue. So this is January 2018 question 2C. Understand? As I said, this is definitely a level 2 question because the smaller number is able to go into the other number without leaving a remainder, which means the smaller number is a factor. So 1 is a factor 2, 1 into 2, 2 times, 1 into 3, 3 times. So what we plan to do is that we plan to multiply this equation by negative 2. So here's it can be 2 and not just 2 but negative. So they can have different signs, so we can automatically eliminate the x. We could have multiplied by negative 3. So here's it can be 3 and automatically eliminate the y. But it doesn't matter. Anything we want to eliminate, it doesn't matter. Alright, step 1. So we're going to multiply it by negative 2. Alright, so that looks something like this. This equation, which is x plus y equal 18.5. Don't be afraid of decimal, beloved. Decimal can't do nothing. So negative 2 times x is what? Negative 2x. And negative 2 times y is negative y. Right? And negative 2 times 18.5 is what? Let us see now. Alright, let us see. 18.5 times 2 is 37. You see that? It would be negative 37. So don't be afraid of decimal. You better you change the decimal right away. You understand? And if you multiply 37 by 3, let us see now. 18.5 times 3, you get a decimal. So it wise have to multiply it by 2 and turn it into an integer. You understand? So you have to smart again, you know, just how it works. So you work with your head and your body. So this now, because we change this equation B, we have to now label it. We have to now label it C. Remember, once you change the equation, you have to label it C. So what you're going to do now, you're going to add this equation to A. You understand? So step 2 is, so what I was saying is that, you see, even though you could have multiplied this by negative 3 and get negative down here, so negative 3 down here, so this, when this multiply by negative 3, that'll be negative 55 point something. But so it best you multiply by the 2 because you know, say, once you multiply 7.5 or anything 0.5 by 2, you automatically go get a whole number. So you have to think smart and not hard, okay? So step 2, add A to C, which is a new equation. So what is A? That is 2x plus 3 equal 43. And this is now minus 2x minus y equal minus 37. What is automatically eliminated? The x down. The x. And then you add now. All of this me teach already. Watch here. Y from 3x is what? 2y. 37 from 43. Let us go for a calculator because last time I checked for me and I get it wrong. So that is 43 subtract 37. 6. So y is what? Y equal 3. So you see, we're not afraid of decimal. You could have come decimal like more in a problem. Alright, so normally now what you do now is that come here now, you substitute y into one of the equation to get x. Which one is the best one? This. Why you want to substitute in this and more work? X already, so substitute y into equation into b. Don't watch the decimal, that's alright. So let us rewrite now. So what you're going to say is step 3. So you're going to say substitute y equal 3 into b to solve for x. This time my x will solve for normal, we don't solve for y. Right back b now. X plus y equal 18.5. And as I said, now watch the decimal. So what is x? What did we get for y? We got 3 for y, and this is x. This is 18.5. So x equal 18.5 minus 3. X equal what now? Let me draw from my calculator. Kind of paper to be able to use calculator. So it don't make no sense here I use a head. And I try to do this. 15.5. So that is 15.5. Therefore, x equal 15.5 and y equal 3. So that's it. As simple as that. No matter how hard the question come, we cut it down. So that is it. This is it. Alright. So we have 2 more questions. My God, that's so much more questions we have. This has treat me give them. This has treat me give them for. This has treat me give them for homework. So we actually have some other CXC question here. This is 2012. This is 2009. This is 2010. Alright, make we do them now. Make we do them together. See here, you can pause the video. Always at liberty to pause the video and come back to it. So we go do the answer. Alright now. So which level this? Level 2. 1 can go into 2 definitely, and 1 can go into 2 definitely. But notice they already give one condition, fulfill one condition, which is the signs are different. So more change the top equation, multiply it by 2. If we multiply the top equation by 2 right here, so I got be 2. So we automatically eliminate the 1. Alright, first label the equation A and B. Alright, what I'm gonna do for the last 2 equations, for this and this, I'm gonna give you for homework, and I want you to post the answer in the comment section. Right, so we're gonna do this together, and the last 2 sorry, I'm gonna give you for homework, and I want you to post the answer in the comment section. First solution. That's how we always do a thing. I have to show the examiner where we're starting. So step 1, multiply equation 1 by 2, because 1 to get yes by 2. So that looks something like this. 2x. Oh God, I don't know why this. Okay, it look like when the table shake, I kinda see if I can stabilize the table. Like when it shake, you get that problem there. Multiply this by 2. Multiply this by 2. Remember, we do this in a preliminary round. That's why we did it. 2 times 2 is 4x. Plus 2 times y is 2y equal 2 times 7, 14. So since we change equation 1, we have to make it be C. We can write it back as A again, because we make adjustment to it. So step 2, and we know why we did change it, right? Step 2, add A to C. Add A to C, which is a new equation. That looks like something like this now. 2x. No, I always make that mistake there. It's not add A to C. Remember, we change A to C, you know. It's add B to C. I always make that mistake there. Because A now becomes C, so it would have to be this. Sorry about that. So add B to C, so that'd be x minus 2y equal 1. And C is the new equation what we get, which is 4x plus 2y equal 14. And as I say, whether you put this at top or this at bottom, it doesn't matter. 6 or 1/2 doesn't other. Now that we fulfill the condition for elimination, coefficient the same and sign different, we just cancel this. Bam, and add these 2. So what you know, 4x plus x is what? 5x equal 14 plus 1 is 15. X automatically is 3. And then now step 3, substitute x in one of the equation for y. Which one of them? Not going to use this. It have to be this, a positive y, because y already did, so we'll just put in x here, so carry over everybody this and we automatically get y. So that's a substitute x equal 3 into a to solve for y. You have to write out this. This is reason. Remember, say you get mark for computation, reasoning, and knowledge. Knowledge means say you remember the elimination procedure, how to, the procedure and the relevant skills like transposition and such. Understanding mean which one of them you put it in, etc., etc. Or which one you eliminate first. Alright, now that x, we're going to put it in now. So let us know that is now 2x plus y equals 7. Remember y we are solving. So 2, what is x? We get x to be 3 plus y equals 7. So this is 6. So y equal what? Y equals 7 minus 6. So y equal what? So y is now equal 1. So that is the final answer. That is the final answer. You see? So here would I write now, therefore, x equal 3 and y equal 1. Sorry, as we are saying, in the future, we soon get a better camera where we can deal with the thing professionally. You understand? But for now, so we always practice to work with what we have until better come. You feel me? Yeah, man. So I basically eat this. You can always pause the video, go back over. Alright, now, so I was planning to actually work these for you, but I'm not going to work it for you. What I wanted to do is to take off this question. Which level is this first and foremost? This is actually level 2. So you know how you go about it. So any one of them you can change. You see, they multiply this equation by 3. Negative 3, forget this 3 so plus negative, or you multiply this equation by negative 2, forget here so a negative 2. You understand? So this is level 2, because the smaller coefficient is able to go into the bigger one. 1 into 2, 1 into 3. So take off this, do it, post the answer in the comment, pause it. I'm going to go to this now. This is 2012. This is a level 3. This is a level 3 question. Alright, I feel like I have to do this. Because whenever I do a level 3, most of the level 1 and level 2. So I'm going to do this. Don't worry yourself. I'm going to do this for now. Alright, how you deal with the level 3 question? First, label it. A and B. Level 3 question kind of are different. So I'm going to do it for you. Notice 2 can go in a 3 and 2 can go in a 5. Which one of them is best to eliminate? Definitely that one here, because they already fulfill one of the conditions already. So in a case like this, you want to eliminate the y variable because they already give apartheid thing. So what you want to do is turn this. So just like solve the adding and subtracting fraction with denominators that are different and none of them can go in the other, you find basically the lowest common multiplier, the LCM. What is the lowest common multiple? First, what you do is that you multiply this equation by 5 and this equation by 2. What do you notice if you multiply this equation by 2? This is going to become what? 10. And if you multiply 5, this equation by 5, this is going to become what? 10. So you have to smart. You understand what we have just done? So it's a step with solution. Solution. Step 1. So you say A by 5 and B by 2. Because you want to really eliminate the y variable. So let us see how it look now. So 3x minus 2y equal 10. Remember, once you multiply it by an integer, you must change it. So this is A. We're going to change A now. So a by 5. 5 times 3 is what? 15. 5 times 3 is 15x. 5 times 2, negative 2 is negative 2y is what? Actually 10. 10y equal 5 times 10 is 50. So this is 10y. Sorry about that, okay? So since this was a, changes to c, and then also you want to multiply 2x plus 5y equal 13. That is b by what? 2. So b times, so 2 times 2x is what? 4x, and 2 times 5y is what? 10y equal 2 times 13 is what? 26. So in step 2 now, step number 2, what you want to do, you name this A, B, C, D. You can't name it back B, you have to name it something different. Step number 2, you say add C to D. What is C? C, we got C to be 5x minus 10y equal 50. And D, we got D to be what? 4x plus 10y equal 26. Notice now, you see, coefficient same signs different. So automatically, you're supposed to add, it say add. So 4x plus 5x is what? 9x equal 26 plus 50 is how much? 76. 76. So what is x? X is 76 divided by 9. Let us see the answer. X is 76 divided by 9. X is 76 divided by 9. Hold on there. 76 divided by 9 equal 8.44. Wow. So that is 8.44. Because the 4 them gone forever, you're right, recurring. That shows is a recurring 4. So 8.44. Alright. So since we get x to be 8.44, we want to solve for y. Which is the best one to really put y in and now? I think the best one to put y in, forget x in, forget y, is the one where the y is positive, which is this equation. So you're going to say now, step 3. Don't worry about decimal. Remember in previous you see decimal. Decimal no means you get it wrong. You understand? I'm going to show you at the end of the day. Alright, so we say now substitute x equal 8.4 into b to solve for y. Remember, you want to put it where the y is positive. So that is 2x plus 5y equal 13. What did we get x to be? 8.4. Put the recurring. That the recurring sign means say it gone on to eternity. 5y equal 13. Alright, 2.8.4 is how much? Let us see now. So 2 times 8.4, 16.8 we get. So that is 16.8 plus 5y equal 13. So 5y would be what? 5y equal 13 minus 16.8. Alright, so remember when we are adding integer, remember we did do that before. Once there's two different signs, we keep the sign of this bigger number, which is negative. So therefore 13 minus 16.8. So that is 13 minus 16.8, negative 3.1, negative 3.8. So 5y. So therefore y equal negative 3.8 over 5. We can try to get it in a decimal in a case like this. So divide now. 3.8 divided by 5. Don't leave it in a fraction. So that is negative 0.76. So that is y. So EX equal 8.4 and Y equal minus 0.76. Alright, how do we know that we're correct? Alright, let us plug it into any one of these equations. I'm going to show you something now. Alright, let's say we're going to plug it in the negative one. I'm going to show you negative equation. So 3x minus 2y equal 10. Look at this. What did we get for x? We get 8.4, no? Recurring, right? Minus, what did we get for y? 0.76. That is negative 0.76 equal 10. Right, may I show you something now? 3.84. 3 times 8.4 is how much I get? That is 25 minus, 25 plus 2. Remember, so once this side equal that side, then know say your values them right. Now look at this. Whenever you have a negative multiplying a negative, you're supposed to get positive. So let us see now. So 2 times 0.75, 1.5 equal 10. So go around somewhere along the line. Somewhere along the line I went wrong. Let us check back where we went wrong, and let's never write out the question here, right? Because I follow all of the procedure. This by 2. 5 times 3x is what? 15x. 10y. 5 times 10 is 50. 2 times 2 is 4x. 2 times 5 is 10y. 26. 26, and then you add the 2 new equation. Jesus have mercy. Have mercy, Lord. Alright, so look at this. Look at this below. Look at this. Look at this. They're not equal, so that means that the values I'm going to get wrong. Let me show you something. I'm deliberately not going to delete this video. I'm going to show you something. I'm not going to delete this video. You know where I went wrong? Because I know I cannot go wrong, because you see, once you follow the procedure, you're not supposed to go wrong. It means that you make a mistake. You understand? Look where I go wrong. Remember, say C was 15x minus 10. Look what we put for C. 5. Just start. And this is not supposed to be 15, beloved. Oh, we get 5. It's supposed to be 15. Alright then. Alright, so let us start back all over again. So this is supposed to be 15. So this is supposed to be 15x minus 10y equal 50. So what we're doing, we're adding C to D. Right? So you see where I go wrong? I don't know if on the DC, maybe on the DC, but I couldn't stop me. Understand? So this is now 4x plus 10 equal 26. Let me show you something now. This cancel this. 15 plus 4 is 19x equal 76. May I show you something? Watch here. 76 divided by 19. 4. Come on, people. We need to be more confident in ourselves. See, the x equal 4. So, you know, you must say, alright, sir, I don't know why I do, because sir end up, when sir I try to prove it. See it here? When sir I try to prove it, one side, no, different. You understand? It's a mistake. So, the bottom line is, we need to be very careful, to be honest. Maybe through a long time, I do it, may get tired, you understand? I do it in the night, if you understand what I mean. See, they now, right now, 125. As I say, sometimes at the end of the night, I really get to do it, you understand what I say? When I do have the time. So, you see, with the mistake what we make, alright, so, X is actually this, so instead of we put 15, we put 5. You understand? So see it here, man, that we get, man, 15, so we end up with 5 down here, so as we did do before. I end up with the 8 point. You understand? But me never did bother still, because we know say once we follow the procedure, we cannot go wrong unless we make a mistake. We end up with the wrong answer. It's not because we don't know what we had to do. It's because we make a mistake. And that's what we say, because a long time we had to do the thing and it late in the night. So the body I give way. You understand what I say? Alright, now that x equal 4, as you can see, because 19 divide this supposed to be 19. Let me correct this. It's supposed to be 19, and 76 divided by 19 is actually 4 instead of 8.4. They would have substitute now in this equation. Is substitute 4. Then we're going to substitute. So step 3 would have be substitute x equal 4 into that equation here with the positive y. Sorry. Substitute it into b to solve for y. So let us write back the equation now. 2x plus 5y equal 13. And so what did we get for x4? Equal 5y equal 13. Plus, it's supposed to be plus. So this is 8 and this is 5. May I jump the gun, you know? Take your time, try. So this is 8 plus 5y equal 13. 5y equal 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is how much? Let me go to the calculator. Okay? Where my brain operate right now. I can't check it out on my head. 13 minus 8 is actually 5. So 5y equal 5, y equal 1. So that is the answer below. So if you want to check your answer, x equal 4, we can plug it back in the equation. Plug it back in this equation. Equation 2. We'll plug it in equation 2. So 2x plus 5y equal 13. As a matter of fact, I plug it in the minus 1, the one we did do before for sure. No one. 3 minus, as I say, you can plug it in any equation. It doesn't matter. We get x to be 4. 3, 4, and we get y to be 1. So plug it 1 equal 10. Once the two equation balancing it right. 3 times 4 is what? 12. And 2 times 1 is minus 2 equal 10. 2 from 12 is 10 equal 10. And so you know if your values are right. If you want to know your values right, you just substitute back in any equation that you please and you end up. So this is it. Sorry that it have to take so long because of the mistake we make. So the mistake here get a decimal and all them something there. But we're not scared enough because we know so when we work, we know what we are do. You understand? So please remember to practice. Practicing is very important. I think this is enough practice that you get. You understand? These are actually CXC past paper questions that I've just worked so many over the years. You understand? I don't feel like you need no more practice. But if you want to go ahead and get another one question or two and just, you know, identify the level, whether level 1 or 2, and then go ahead. That's good. Please look out for the next video. I don't know what video I'll do for the next one, but I normally try to challenge the most challenging topics and let them be simple for you. Okay, please enjoy the rest of your night. I'm like so tired right now. Please remember to subscribe. Please remember to share the video. Okay, thanks very much. God bless you all. Okay, I'm like so tired. I'm going to sleep now. Please enjoy the rest of your night, right?